Okay, now we've reached the last part of the tutorial. Okay, now like the 3x3, we have to get the top cross in this cube here, but it seems that we have a parity case. Now a parity case is something that happens in cubes bigger than 3x3, but we'll get to that later. Okay, now just assume that the top cross is already done because there's a parity over here. So we'll align the top cross now, and it appears that it's already aligned for us. So we'll get the corners now. This is correct, and we'll need to move this here, this here, and this here. Okay, very simple. Okay, we'll fix the parity first. Now this is a flip edged, so be prepared for an annoyingly long algorithm. Here it goes. 2R star, 2B, 2U, L star, 2U, R inverted star, R star inverted, 2U, R star, 2U, 2F, R star, 2F, L star inverted, 2B, 2R star. Now it's correct. So what we're gonna have to do is to realign the top cross because it will change exactly like a 3x3, so I'm not gonna say much. Alright, let's look for the correct corner again. Appears that there's none. So again, exactly like a 3x3, get the corners lined up. Look for correct edge corner. This one's correct. And I'm going to teach you a left-handed version. Right, let's look. Okay, they're in the right places, so we'll use right inverted, down inverted, right down, as always. Whoa, did I just knock the camera? That's the problem of me not looking at the LCD screen, because I'm looking at the cube actual. Now, I'm not in the best condition now because it's getting bloody hot. I'm not sure if you can see my sweat beads. There you go, you can see it. You see how reflective my skin is? It's all sweat. It's getting very hot, and I don't think I'm doing a good job here, so I have to apologize. Hopefully you guys can catch what I'm trying to show on screen. Well, this is a completed tutorial. Now you have to look at the next part, which showcases the different parity case you will encounter in solving the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. I'll see you.